Let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have a center stand. Then we also have two springs, one small and one large diameter. We also have a spring bracket as well as an axle, small rubber bumper, and the corresponding bolt. That's a 6 by 12 millimeter Allen bolt. And we also have an M6 by 20 millimeter long hex head bolt and a thick washer. The tools we're going to be using: 4 millimeter Allen socket, or you can use an Allen key, 10 millimeter hex socket, 10 millimeter wrench or spanner, ratchet plus extension. Next, you can mount the bumper, the rubber bumper, with the supplied bolt. Don't forget to use medium strength Loctite. And you can tighten this bolt all the way. Next, mount the center stand in its place. Push the axle all the way through, like so. Next, grab the thick washer plus the M6 by 20 millimeter hex head bolt. Again, don't forget to apply some medium strength Loctite. Pull this bolt snug, like so. Next, attach the spring with the spring bracket. Make sure that the small spring goes inside the big spring. Next is the more challenging part, is connecting the ends of each spring onto the little bracket. Start with the smaller diameter and then proceed with the larger diameter spring. Take your time and be patient. Don't forget to wear protective gear for your eyes and your hands. Once it's done, double check that all the bolts have been pulled tight. Go out for a test ride. Double check all the components once again. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email info@outbackmotortek.com or call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.